Eat your eggs before they get very cold.
Huh? I am sorry for the big mess, Mom.
It is okay. I will fix it quickly.
Ah, your hands are always moving and doing things.
I have a lot of work to do today.
Do you know what day is coming very soon?
It is Mother's Day this Sunday morning. Oh, right! We must get the best gift in the world. I only have 3 small coins in here. I have no money for a big, fancy gift.
A gift does not always cost a lot of money.
Maybe I can draw a very beautiful picture.
I want to buy her a giant crown of gold. My feet hurt from standing all day long.
Drink this water and try to rest, Mom. Does this make your tired feet feel better?
You two are the best part of my day.
These red roses are $10 for one. We cannot buy anything in this expensive shop.
Why are you two looking so very unhappy today?
We want a gift for our mother's special day. Can I buy a flower with this pretty marble?
Keep your marble. I have a better idea. You can grow love if you work very hard.
Please tell us how we can do that, ma'am. The dirt is very hard and very dry here. The flowers need water to grow tall and strong.
Your mother will be very surprised by this garden.
What are you two doing in the dirt today?
We are just playing a very fun game, Mom.
Please be careful not to get too dirty, Mia.
That was a very close call for our secret. This weed does not want to come out, Mia. Working in a garden is a lot of work. Now I know why Mom is always so tired.
She does this for us every single day, Sam.
I can help Mom with the small chores now. I will make the living room very tidy today.
Who made the house look so beautiful and clean?
I am a cleaning hero today, Mom. I folded all of these for you, Mom.
Thank you, sweetie. You are helping me so much. Thank you.
We still need a real gift for Sunday morning. A paper crown is not a real gold crown.
The heart is more important than the gold, Sam.
I have an idea for a special book. What are you drawing in that little book, Mia?
Ah, this is a book of all the things she does.
Mom is like the sun in our big house. Only one more day until the big day.
Look! The flowers are starting to open their petals.
It is so beautiful. I grew this with water. We must keep these safe for tomorrow morning, Sam.
The stove is broken, and I cannot cook dinner.
I am sorry. I think we need a professional.
Everything is going wrong before the big holiday.
I will fix the stove with my blue hammer.
Thank you, Sam. You make me feel much better.
We do not need a stove for a picnic.
This is more fun than a real dinner table. I am happy because we are all together now.
Wake up, Sam. It is finally Mother's Day. Do not forget the yellow flowers from the garden.
Ready? On the count of 3, we shout!
Happy Mother's Day to the best mom ever! We grew these flowers just for you, Mom. I drew a giant sun inside this book for you.
You wrote all the reasons why you love me.
Your hands do so much for us every day.
These are the best gifts I have ever received. I feel like a real queen today, my son.
No chores for you today. Only rest and love.
The sun is very warm, and the sky is blue.
Here is another gift for your special day, Mom.
They worked very hard to make you happy, Elena.
I never knew they noticed the little things I do.
Happy Mother's Day, Elena. Your children are very kind.
Thank you for helping them with the yellow flowers.
It was my pleasure, dear.
They have very big hearts, just like their mother. We found more flowers for your big collection, Mom.
My heart is very full of love today.
The table looks like a real restaurant now, Sam.
This is the most peaceful day of my life.
Can I draw a picture of you as a queen? Do not forget to draw her big, happy smile.
That is a very beautiful picture of your mother.
I will hang this on the wall forever, Mia. Being helpful all day is very tiring, Mom. Now you know why I sleep so well at night. And I love you more than all the stars.
Did you have a wonderful and happy day, Elena?
It was the most special day of my life.
I wanted to buy a big gift, but I gave her my heart instead.
Love is the best thing we can give each other.